Hi everybody, welcome to my kitchen. My name is Kevin. This is my second episode of my Chinese food series. Therefore, if you're someone who likes Chinese food, make sure you subscribe to my channel so you will not miss out future videos. And today I will be teaching you guys on how to make fresh orange lemon tea. This is a very easy recipe. Therefore, feel free to try it out on your own and let me know the taste down in the comment section. This recipe is great for someone who uses their voice all the time. Like me personally, I cover Chinese songs and I like to talk a lot. Therefore, this recipe is great for me. It helps me to relieve the stress on my throat and it's refreshing and soothing. Because it's homemade and fresh, therefore it's healthier than the ones that you buy from outside. Because if you buy from outside, you don't know what they put in the lemon tea. Okay, so you're gonna need 1 orange and 1 lemon. Make sure you take out the seeds from the lemon, otherwise the lemon tea comes out will be bitter, so it will affect the flavor. In addition, you're gonna need 15 to 20 sugar cubes and 1 small bag of black tea. You can use any kind of black tea. Make sure you choose ripe orange and lemon, this way the water is able to come out. Next, you're going to boil water in the pot. How much water do you use? It really depends on personal preference. You can start boil the water now. Then you put everything in the pot. You don't have to wait for the water to boil. Just put it in when it's still cold. That includes the lemon, the orange, the sugar cubes, and the black tea. And once again, make sure you take out the seeds from the lemon. After you put the black tea in, make sure you use something to push the black teas down so that all the tea leaves are in the water. And lastly, you're going to cook it for 5 to 10 minutes when the water starts to boil. If you like this recipe, please don't forget to give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you all for watching.